What's going on, guys? Two Bros Garage, back at it again. Today we have another day of the Gsxr project. We're going to be doing the turning signals. I'm going to have to make like a bigger bracket to go around the back here to be able to get it to tighten, because this washer here is not big enough. So I'll be doing that. I'm also going to be putting in the air filter, intake filter. We're also going to be doing the fuel filter. It's been giving a little bit of issues running. I did do the spark plugs on it before, as you guys saw. I've done a lot of maintenance to it. I got it running. It wasn't running when it got here, so we're just going to do that and hopefully it runs a little better. So it's still a work in progress, but a lot better. My friend, he's been able to ride it a couple times since we've been working on it. So yeah, guys, check it out. We're going to do the work. Alrighty, guys, I got the turn signal in on the left side, and basically now I got to connect it. But I did have to make a special like washer type bracket, so I made it out of this extra piece of fairing that the fairing kit brought. So I'm gonna make the other one for the other side. I'm gonna snip the wires, connect them, and then see how it goes, see how it works, see how bright it is.